What's up, kids? Tonight, it's after 6. Tonight, I'm going to show you something cool from a company who sent us an email. And stick around. All right, here we go again on our own. Today we have something cool from Fab Heavy Parts. I'm gonna put them up over here, somewhere in there. Anyway, we got some bad of the bone F clamps. Look at these things. They call them the heavy duty. I'll have a link down the thing, but oh my Atlanta, these are huge. So these actually, so you know I'm not fibbing. From the curve, they're 17 inches long. From the middle of the clamp, they're like 5.5, almost 6 inches. And they open up. Get them all the way open. That action, smooth. And that opening right here is a foot. Check this out, though. Hold on a second. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. It weighs quite a bit. The shipping weight on this was just about 27 pounds for 4 of them. Yeah, there's 4. This is just 2. Look at that. Ooh. So we're gonna clamp some stuff right now. All right. Right now, I just grabbed some scrap. I've got a piece of railroad track that is 4 1/4, and then we got some 3 inch. So we've got 7 1/4 inches. Get you down here. You saw how easily that opened up. Yeah, you just, and then you can go like this if you choose, right? Yeah, we're gonna move it a little bit forward because of the bar, and then you just give her the business right here, like that. Well, that's cool. Huh? I mean, we keep tightening. Yeah. So these are really called heavy duty clamps, F clamps, something. Like I said, I'll have the description. The link in the description. Now, what do you think? Is that going to be too tall? I don't know. Let's find out. We'll keep using this one because he's right here. Look at that. Now, let's see how tall that is. That is almost 9 inches. And as you can see, these things are stout. That's pretty cool. They sent me an email and they're like, hey, want to try something out? And I was like, sure, why not? And we did some talking back and forth, and we finally came up with these guys. You know, you can never have enough clamps. What else can we clamp? I mean, you needed to clamp something down right here. Look at that. You could give her a clamp right there. You know, if you needed to, you're gonna do some, if you're gonna do a chop maybe, and you want to hold, oh, maybe don't put it crooked yet. Look at that. It'll bring it right around. Clamp it up. See that? Box right to the back. Check this out. I've been hitting that box 4 or 5 times now. I mean, there are 4 of these guys. You could do some serious work with this. I really wish I had more stuff I could do work with right now. Let's look. Now, I'm going to try something with it. I know it's for welding, but let's see what else we can use it for. Now, you know I have this, it's got to be a pickup at some point, right? Let's put these down. Yoink. Well, let's say this was moving around on me a bunch, because it does. We could really, no. Oh, too far. Right there. See that right there? It's a great noise, I know. But, I mean, I can put those down in here. It's not going to be moving around. Yeah, I just use this part. I can put a block underneath there, though. Yeah. This is one of my... I don't have a lot of room, so I don't use a lot of big devices, but this one won't fit there. I mean, yeah, this way, but it's an idea like that. We can tighten this guy back up. And we can put, I mean, honestly, we can put it right like that in there. Tighten it up good. And then I move it, but we can put it right in here. You know, let's give it a little bit more room since I don't know how to see things. There you go. Well, this, because it won't fit in here. It'll fit here. Show you. Yeah. Right here. Thing's not moving. Not moving at all. My bench moved. That was about it. And then, easy to take it on. So loosen it up. Loosen this up. You got it. Now, I'm telling you, that is a heavy-duty clamp. It is very sturdy, easy to manipulate it open. Now, if you get it up here and you have some tension on it, you're not going to move it. Nice and easy. You get 4 in the box. 4. That's pretty darn cool. Now I went to Fab Heavy Parts website. Not only do they have tools and garden supplies and stuff, they've got stuff for engines and like I saw diesel stuff and for cat and for a few other ones. I can't even remember. There were so many things on there. I'm going to, of course, put the website somewhere. Anyway. And then a link right to these. Now, Tell you what, you got big work to do, you need a big clamp, right? There you go. That's a big clamp right there. You're definitely going to want to go check them out. They have all sorts of awesome stuff. I am going to put some pictures, maybe of some of the things that they have for those people who have more to do than just use. Believe it or not, they have bigger ones than this. Like that long. Now, we're definitely going to be using these on our build right here, because we are going to be doing some stuff. You know, we've got to figure out what we're going to do here and here and here and there. Pretty much this whole area here. I'm pretty sure that these are going to have a home on there. So I'll tell you what, you use some of those little clamps, you don't know what you're going to get, but I mean, anyway. Fab Heavy Parts. You got to check them out. Website's going to be down there. Link to this product's going to be down there. You don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on this website. I hadn't heard of them until they reached out. And tell you what, don't sleep on it. Every time I've gone and checked, they're almost sold out. A lot of their stuff almost sold out. Almost sold out. And then I get a message saying, "Hey, it's back in stock." So don't miss it. Hope you enjoyed this short video and review about these bad boys. Check out the link. Check out their website. Fab Heavy Parts. Honest Paint and Speed Shop approved. Keep on wrenching, kids.